if someone's like, let's just say they're going to meet someone important, or like they have a big meeting or something like that, and they're like feeling a lot of pressure, is there anything, because you probably have been in that same situation,
Yep.
is there anything that they can do to like kind of relieve that pressure and just like kind of relax and kind of
100%, right? And that is, first of all, it's going to be okay. Remind yourself, like, there's probably some people out there, hi, if you want to be a Navy SEAL, awesome. I appreciate your service to our country, but we're not Navy SEALs. Like, when it goes bad for them, they're getting shot at. Like, hopefully the meeting that you're having, nobody's going to shoot at you. And you have to realize that I'm going to be fine. I'm going to be great. And then I always kind of have these two questions that I ask myself before things are really important, before like a really important meeting. I always ask myself, is it within the realm of possibility that this conversation could go really well? My life could be better. I can help this person. This could be an awesome conversation or an awesome meeting or an awesome job interview. And 100% of the time, I have yet to run into a time where I'm like, no, there is no way, it is not humanly possible for this to go well. This is going to go terrible. I just ask myself, could this go well? Sure. And then the next question I ask myself, well, if it was to go well, how would it go well? Right? And then I start finding, I'm relaxed, I'm positive, I'm looking them in the eye, I'm saying things like, hey, what's the most important thing that we need to accomplish over these 20 minutes? And I visualize it going well. Your brain is a really powerful computer, Anderson. And if you're thinking of all the ways things could go bad before it, that's the direction you're going to go. Like, your brain doesn't understand good, bad, or whatever you think about, it will go that way. So when you're stepping into an important meeting, or you're on your way to a job interview, or even a date with some girl, or whatever it is, like, could this go great? Sure. Awesome. If it was going to go great, how would it go great? Right? And then your brain starts to go, okay, well, I'm relaxed. I'm cool. I'm confident. I'm interested in what she's got going on in her world. I'm opening the door for her. And like, all of the answers start to manifest themselves. Are you going to be perfect on that date or in that interview? No. But at least you're thinking in the realm of like how it would go well before it starts. It's a good question, because that's something everybody struggles with. At least, I can't speak for everybody, but I think everybody at the highest level, even probably before a game or an interview or a date or whatever, they're probably thinking the same thing you are and I am, and probably most everybody else is like, oh God, what if this goes bad?
Yeah, I think the really successful people like kind of do what you're doing and like kind of find a way to like seize the moment almost and just like
100%.
relax in the situation and make the most of it.
100%. They're just thinking more about, what if it goes well?
Yeah.
What would it take if it goes well? And they're calm and they're like, wow, that would be good. And they're visualizing. Like, if you watch Olympic athletes before they go skiing, their heads moving around. It's like they're visualizing themselves on that course. They're not visualizing themselves crashing. They're visualizing themselves setting some world record, right? And are they going to set the world record? I don't know. But if they visualize themselves crashing, they're going to wipe out.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like if you visualize yourself winning, it's almost easier to go out and win because you've already done it in your head.
100%. 100%.